Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend, May the 15th, 2021. Here we have a puzzle page, an additional with extra Sudokus, and this one is a letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars. With 4 stars, then we have a tectonic with 4 stars. Binary puzzle, and the last one, tectonic with 1 star. Yes, total of 7 extra Sudokus or puzzles. Only 4 of them I will make today. The rest of the puzzles in this additional I will do this tomorrow. The first one I will solve is a Sudoku with 3 stars. And this one will be a number 2794. 2794. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. It's not always true that the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. If you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, then you need to think longer for a solution. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? The number. Which number shall I pick? How about the 2? In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the last column. So no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Alright. So we have 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 7. Alright. Then how about 9, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. 2, 6, 4. Okay. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 9. 9 is missing. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 8 and 3, 8 and 6. 3, 8 and 6. Okay. 1, 5 and 7. 1, 5, 7. Alright. 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3. Let me think. 8, 8 and 9. Okay. 7, 8. 4. Alright. 4. I'm thinking. 5, 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only place for the 5. I should be there. 4 missing numbers now in the second row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Alright. These 3 missing numbers, 2, 4, and the 8 are missing. 2, 4, and the 8. We see here 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number 4. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 7, 9. One of the missing number here is the number 3 in this big square. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 9. Oh, we have a 9 here. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. Yes, 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 9 and 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. 9 and 1. Yeah. 2, 4. The 7 is missing. 2. 2 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5, the 6, and the 7 are missing. 6 and 7. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. This box should be an 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number in the second column is the number 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. So the only 2 boxes left for the 7 should be here or there. Another 7 here, so no 7 there. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So now 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, and the 9. Interesting. Let me think. 3, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 8. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. And now 7. How about 1, 3, 2. Okay. 4, 4, 9, 9, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. Alright. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first. Wait. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We see here a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright, then 2 boxes left. The 2 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Yes, and I like this one. 3 stars. Well, let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes for 1 star. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku I will solve. See you then. Bye bye for now.